Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. In this video I'll show you how to clear Windows.old from your Windows 11 system. This could also work with the Windows 10 system as well. There's no difference, but I'm using Windows 11, so consider this as that one. Okay, so as you can see inside the C drive, you can see the Windows.old folder is there. I have deleted almost every file, but ultimately some of the it is left with its original directory name. So no matter how many times I try to delete it using shift to delete or anything, this is not going to remove. So how to get rid of this? Okay, so first, as you guys know, we have a disk cleanup tool, and you can get that from the properties tab of the drive. But as I'm using Windows 11, this is not given in directly over there, so you have to type it in the start a search, then you can get it from there. Okay, so just run it as admin or just normal, and just make sure you have selected C drive. Okay, not D or E, just C. Now here you have to select the directory, or you have to make a check with the previous Windows installation file and just hit OK, and that would be all. Now your Windows.old will no longer be there, and you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so it's about to be done now. It's gonna take a little while. It depends on the size, how much of the data you have inside that. Okay, so it's done. Now let me make a refresh and let's get into this. Now you can see the folder is no more. So that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.